Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about laws of inequality. I have sent you notes regarding this also, but I think it needs explanation also. So the first law is, suppose I am having an inequality A greater than B, and if I add any positive number, say C, on both sides, the inequality remains same. The inequality doesn't changes. This inequality remains same. Greater than sign remains greater than sign. It doesn't change. And if I add any other number, suppose 9, on both sides, again the inequality will remain same. So this is the first law. Adding a positive number to both sides doesn't change the inequality. And similar is with subtraction. If I subtract, this is the first one. Second, if I subtract a same positive number from both sides of the inequality does not change. I have given you notes, इसमें बहुत अच्छे से clearly mention किया गया. Again, you people listen very carefully. Adding a number to both sides or subtracting a number to both sides does not affect the inequality. Second law, if inequality is this, suppose I multiply both sides by a positive number, say C. So A into C, B into C, दोनों तरफ C से multiply कर दिया, but the inequality remains unaffected. It is same. AC is less than BC. If I divide both sides by positive number C, A over C, B over C, inequality again remains same. So here we will sum up like this: adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing by a same number does not affect the inequality. Third law. Now let's move on to the negative number. Suppose now our inequality is A greater than B. So if I multiply both sides by negative number C, suppose C is a negative number, so here A into C, B into C, but the inequality is reversed due to this negative symbol. In numbers, we can write multiply both sides by -2. So here -2A, -2B, but now this greater than sign will reverse to a less than sign. So inequality reverses in case of the negative number. Again, if I divide both sides by -3, A over 3 minus A over 3 and by minus B over 3. Earlier it was greater than, so now it will be lesser than. These are the three basic laws of inequality. So next one is solving linear equations. The rules are very much clear in the book only. Procedure to solve inequations मैंने नोट्स पे भी आपको सेंड कर दिया, बट 13.2 के एक आध क्वेश्चन में आपसे डिस्कस कर लेती हूँ अगेन, that how to solve them. Question number third. Let it be question number third. Replacement set. 13 चैप्टर की फर्स्ट वीडियो में आपको मैंने रिप्लेसमेंट सेट के बारे में अच्छे से बताया. अगेन आई रिपीट, रिप्लेसमेंट सेट होता है कि गिवन क्या है आपके पास, और सोल्यूशन सेट आपने रिप्लेसमेंट सेट के अकॉर्डिंगली लेना होता है. रिप्लेसमेंट सेट इज गिवन टू यू एज 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And find the solution set of the inequation 7 minus x over 2 greater than 5x by 3 minus 6. The first rule of solving these type of inequation is to bring the variables on one side and send the constants to the other side. So here minus x by 2 remain on this side, 5x by 3 when moved to this side will change its sign. Inequality will remain same. Minus 6 is on either side and minus 7 over here, because earlier it was positive, when it moved to the other side it will become negative. Now take the LCM here. It is 6, 2 3 is 6, so it is minus 3x. Here it is 2 So minus 10x greater than minus 13. Minus 13x over 16 greater than minus 13. Right? Here multiplying both sides by 6. To vanish this 6 number, we have to multiply both sides by 6 into 6 greater than minus 13 into 6. 6 was a positive number now, so that's why the inequality remains same. This 6 gets cancelled, so we are left minus 13x greater than minus 13 into 6. Next, this is a negative number. I need to eliminate this number क्योंकि हमें x की वैल्यू चाहिए. x की वैल्यू ही solution set है. So dividing both sides by minus 13. So minus 13 is a negative number. When I divided this by minus 13 and here minus 13 into 6 over minus 13, the inequality will reverse. Because here we have divided it with the number minus 13. So according to the laws of inequality, the inequality reverses. This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. You are left with x less than 6. So solution set क्या होगा इसका? कौन कौन सी वैल्यू x से छोटी है, x 6 से छोटी है, x लेस देन 6, 3, 4 एंड 5. रिप्लेसमेंट सेट देखना ना आपने. Only 3 values are there, 3 elements are there which are smaller than 6. So your answer is 3, 4 and 5. Is that clear to you? Another question I want to discuss with you is question number 5. Question number 5. 5 into x minus 1 less than 2x plus 1. और साथ में कॉमा लगा कर जब लिखा होता है ना that x belongs to w, मतलब कि यहाँ पर आपको रिप्लेसमेंट सेट दे रखा है. वो क्या है? सेट ऑफ होल नंबर्स. सो हियर आप रिप्लेसमेंट सेट इज, आप लिख लिया करो अपनी कॉपीज में. रिप्लेसमेंट सेट इज w मीन्स होल नंबर. तो होल नंबर स्टार्ट होते हैं 0 से 1, 2, 3 एंड सो ऑन. Infinite number. We have to solve this equation. 5x minus 5, 2x plus 1. 5x, bring this x term over here and send this constant term to the other side. 5 plus 1. 3x less than 6. Divide both sides by 3 to make it x. 3x by 3. Since dividing by a positive number does not affect the inequality. X less than 2. So solution set. कौन कौन सी वैल्यूज़ रिप्लेसमेंट सेट में से देखो जो 2 से छोटी हैं, वो है सिर्फ 0 और 1. और इस क्वेश्चन में आपको इसको ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट ही करना है. सो हियर दिस इज नंबर लाइन -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then 0 and 1 are the only points. So put a black dot on the point 0 and 1. This is the graphical representation. So, okay.